We're here at a hotel that cannot identify itself.
There's a Marriott up there.
It's a Sheraton. It's a Delta Marriott. This is Sheraton. I don't know which one it is.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's a nice elevator. Key card in. Okay, 4. Here we go. It's in Midwest City. It's very strange how it's KONE. Yep. Oh, going up? Come on in.
Going up?
What floor?
4.
Oh, perfect. Okay. Here's 4.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's just swing by of this place just to see what kind of elevators they have. Nice times. Wow. It's a nice elevator. The elevator we did the cabs. It's not Captain Vincent. Whoa. All these buttons. Okay, that works. Five. Yeah, it's interesting. Close the door. It's funny. Creepy. It's kind of one. Let's just open it up to the chairs area. Oh gosh, that's interesting. Save it to 20. Ooh, look at that one button. Cool. I don't know how, but it's fine. So weird. There's the elevator. See, it's a Marriott. Delta Marriott. There's a very nice hotel, I believe. But you notice they have Sheraton doors. But I don't know, it has an identity crisis. But other than that, I guess that is gonna be it for me.